How to enable Siri animation on iPhone iOS 18. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a simple guide on how to activate the new Siri animation on iOS 18. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta head over to your phone settings and then you gotta find the option that says General. So just click on General. And once you do so, you will be redirected to an interface where you can manage your overall setup and preferences for your iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, and AirDrop, and more. So what you're going to do is click on software update and you'll be able to see the available updates over here. So you need to make sure that your phone is updated to the latest version. Right now you can see that I'm on 18.3, but here a new update is here that is 18.3.1. So you have to click on update now and your phone would be updated. So once you're done updating your phone to the latest version, you'll be able to see an option that says Siri. So note that this feature is available only in iPhone 15 and onwards. Even if you have iPhone 14, you wouldn't be able to see this option because it is only available for iPhone 15 and onwards. So if you have iPhone 15 and onwards, you gotta click on Siri over here, and once you do so, you'll be able to see an option that says Siri Animation. So you can just click on that and then you can toggle on the button in order to enable Siri Animation. So that was basically how you can enable Siri Animation on iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.